Hello, back here EMD Automotive. This is Paul at Caringbah. Today we just finished testing the actual glow plugs on this Mercedes-Benz diesel G series, the G series style. We done the wiring test and it was perfect. And we took cylinder 1, 2 and 3 glow plugs out, and then look at the color. The color is all black. So meaning the fuel, this side here is never on. So that's why they got a fault coming up, glow plugs open circuit, because these guys don't even turn on. And that's the color of bank 2, and that's the color of bank 1. See the difference in color? This guy here is always on, that's why it's dry, and this guy is always wet. And fuel goes in and doesn't even get hot. That's why it's all black like that. But we test the actuals. We put a glow plug in there, we tested outside, it was all red hot, so it was all good anyway, the signal from the actual computer to turn it on. But today we'll just finish. But the one we put in, we put in Bosch. And it's a much better manufacturer, well known on European cars. This one here is a no brand, because usually if you have a Mercedes-Benz one, we have a Mercedes-Benz sign on it. This is like a no brand, so I don't know, can't tell you. Anyway, this is part 1 of the glow plugs replacement. After that we'll start the car and go from there. Alright, thanks for watching, please subscribe.